Today is a very exciting day because I'm going for a hike that I wanted to do for a very long time. But I gotta get changed first. Alright, that's better. Now, it's time for a ride. Jarvis, initiate the helmet sequence, please.
I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we...
Alright, we just arrived to this trail. So how was the ride, man? Did you enjoy? Just parked my bike here in the shady location. I don't know, man. I just don't want my baby to get stolen. So we're heading up to the trail right now. Gonna fly the drone, take some cinematics. Alright, now we're at a point where we want to decide in life, you want to go left or you want to go right. Where do you want to go? Okay, so my maps kind of betrayed me. It's one way and I don't know which way to go.
Show me.
Do you guys know where's the tunnel for the viewpoint?
Oh, we also don't know.
You don't know?
Also looking for it.
Got some people joined us for the trail because they also lost and they're looking for the tunnel. It's very tricky. It's not easy to find that tunnel, but we figured it out on Google. Oh my god, there's this dog looking at me. Is he friendly?
Uncle, dogs are
Friendly? Okay. Do you know the way to the tunnel? All right, found the tunnel. Oh, this rope is filthy, by the way. Right, hanging from the cliff. Going in the tunnel. I'm walking so weird, dude. My legs doesn't spread that wide. That's what she said. So, got a lot of these rocks here. Here we are. So, this is a trail leading up all the way. Look at this waterfall. Thank God I didn't wear my good shoes today. This is the kind of raw adventure that I missed in the lockdown. This is exactly what I needed. This makes me feel alive. It's actually almost noon right now, but we are lucky there are clouds. So we just gotta go up here and basically that's it, we are around.
Wastelands through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, and on we'll go.
Almost 1 p.m. It's very hot, the sun is right above, but the view here is very nice. Yeah, because I think the sun sets over there, which is perfect, so I gotta come here on the sunset. If you guys are not following me on Instagram, what are you doing with your life, right? Follow me on Instagram because I got the best photos on Instagram. Not even bragging. Ask this guy. Yeah, but yeah, we gotta make our way back now. It's getting too hot.